नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन आवर ऑनलाइन स्टडी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स.
Friends, in this video we will discuss about the mathematics of class 6 under the basic geometrical ideas. In this chapter we will discuss about the polygons. So what is the polygon? Let's start the video and enjoy the video. So what is the polygon? First of all we will discuss about the polygon. If a geometrical closed shape bounded by 3 and more than 3 line segments are called polygon. Once again, if a geometrical closed shape bounded by 3 and more than 3 line segments are called polygon. For example, this is a triangle bounded by 3 line segment. This is a quadrilateral bounded by 4 line segments. This is pentagon bounded by 5 line segments, and this is a rhombus again bounded by 4 line segments, and this one is a hexagon bounded by 6 line segments. So these all are the polygons. So now first one, triangle. What is the triangle? We will classify it here polygon. Triangle, a closed figure or shape enclosed by 3 line segments are known as triangle. Now type of triangle, there are two types of triangle. One is based on side and second is based on angles. So first one we will discuss about the triangle based on sides. Here is three types of triangle, and first one is equilateral triangle. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, that is known as equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle, if two line segments are equal in a triangle, if two line segments are equal, then that known as a isosceles triangle. So this is the example of isosceles triangle. Now third one is scalene triangle. If the all sides of a triangle are unequal, that is different, then that type of triangle is known as scalene triangle. So this is example of scalene triangle. You can see that all three sides are different, therefore this is an scalene triangle. Now number two, based on angles. Second types of triangles are based on angles. Here is also three types of triangles as number one, acute triangle. If the all angles are less than 90 degree. What is the acute angle triangle? If all the angles are less than 90 degree, then those type of triangles are known as acute angle triangles. So this is the example of acute angle triangle. You can see that every angle of this triangle is less than 90 degree. So this type of triangle is known as acute angle triangle. Next one is right angle triangle. If one angle of the triangle is at just 90 degree, that triangle is known as right angle triangle. So this is the example of right angle triangle. Triangle ACB is a right angle triangle because angle C is 90 degree here. Now the obtuse angle triangle. If one angle of triangle is greater than 90 degree, then that angle is known as obtuse angle triangle. So you can see that this angle is more than 90 degree. So this type of triangle is known as obtuse angle triangle. Now moving for quadrilateral. What are the quadrilateral? What do you mean by quadrilaterals? So a closed figure enclosed by 4 line segments are known as quadrilateral. A closed figure enclosed by 4 line segments is known as quadrilateral. For example, you can say here two figure. Number one is this is the ABCD is the quadrilaterals, and under this quadrilaterals are two diagonals, and this is the second one is Second one also ABCD is a quadrilateral bounded by 4-line segment. Each figure, each shape is bounded by 4-line segments. So this is known as the quadrilaterals. Now types of quadrilaterals. How many types of quadrilaterals? There are 6 types of quadrilaterals. First one is square, and second one rectangle, and third one rhombus, and fourth one parallelogram, and fifth one trapezium, and last one kite. So these are all types of quadrilaterals. So we will discuss these quadrilaterals one by one. What is the square? So dear, this is square, that is first one quadrilateral. If all the sides of a quadrilateral are equal and each angle is 90 degree, that quadrilateral is known as square. If all the sides are equal and each angles are 90 degree in a quadrilateral, that type of quadrilateral is known as square. This is the example. You can see that all sides are equal and each angle is also 90 degree. Second one is rectangle. If opposite sides and each angles are equal, and that type of quadrilateral is known as rectangle. Once again, if opposite sides are equal and each angles is 90 degree, that type of quadrilateral is known as rectangle. This is the example of rectangle. You can see that opposite side, that's length, and length is equal and breadth is equal to breadth, and each angle also 90 degree. So this type of quadrilateral, and this white shape is also a quadrilateral. So this type of quadrilateral is known as rectangle. And now next one is rhombus. What is the rhombus? If all sides are equal in a quadrilateral but each angles are not 90 degree, that type of quadrilateral is known as rhombus. So necessary condition, all sides should be equal but angles are not 90 degree, that is known as rhombus. But a square is also a rhombus because there are all sides are equal, but it is not necessary that angles are 90 degree or not 90 degree, but condition is all sides are equal, that quadrilateral is known as rhombus. So this is the example of rhombus. You can see that all 4 sides are equal. So this is a example of rhombus. Next one is parallelogram. What is parallelogram? If opposite sides are equal and parallel in a quadrilateral, this is the condition. If opposite sides are equal and parallel in a quadrilateral, then that type of quadrilateral is known as parallelogram. And here condition is property of parallelogram is opposite angles are equal and diagonal bisect each other. Okay. After that, next one, this is the example of parallelogram. You can see that opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this type of shape is known as parallelogram. After that, trapezium. What do you mean by the trapezium? If a pair of opposite sides are parallel in a quadrilateral, that type of quadrilateral is known as trapezium. That is one pair. There are 2 pairs in a quadrilateral. If one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then that type of quadrilaterals is known as trapezium. So this is the example of trapezium. You can see that these are the opposite sides and these opposite sides are parallel. So this is known as trapezium. And this one another example. So this side, top side and base side is parallel, therefore this is known as trapezium. Now last one is kite. What do you mean by that quadrilateral kite? If one pair of adjacent sides are equal in a quadrilateral, then that type of quadrilateral is known as kite. So you can see that this is the example of kite. One side of adjacent, one pair of adjacent sides are equal. This is the adjacent side, you can see that this side. Second one, you can see that this is are the equal pair. This side and this side equal, and this is also equal. One pair of adjacent sides are equal. That's third one example. You can see that this is equal and this is also equal. So this pair is equal and this one is also pair is equal. That type of quadrilateral is known as kite, and the diagonals of the kite is intersect at 90 degree. So next one is pentagon. What do you mean by pentagon? A closed figure enclosed by 5 line segment is called pentagon. This is the example of pentagon. So this is a pentagon. Now hexagon. If a closed figure enclosed by 6 line segment is called hexagon, and you can see that this is a geometrical shape enclosed by 6 line segment, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this type of polygon is known as hexagon. If all the sides of a polygon have equal, then that type of polygon is known as regular polygon. So this is a regular hexagon because all the sides of this hexagon is equal. So this is known as regular hexagon. Now what do you mean by heptagon? A closed figure enclosed by 7 line segments is called heptagon. So this is known as a heptagon. You can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 6 line segments, and totally this geometrical shape is enclosed by 7 line segment. So this type of polygon is known as heptagon, and all the sides are equal, therefore this is a regular heptagon. Now what do you mean by octagon? A closed figure enclosed by 8 line segment is called octagon, and this is, you can see that this is a octagon, have 8 equal sides, equal line segments. So this is a regular octagon and having 8 equal sides enclosed by 8 equal line segments. So this is known as regular octagon. Now nonagon. What do you mean by nonagon? A closed figure enclosed by 9 line segments is called nonagon, and you can see that this is a geometrical shape enclosed by 9 equal line segments. So this is a also regular polygon and named nonagon because this closed figure is enclosed by 9 line segments. So this is a nonagon. Now decagon. What do you mean by decagon? A closed figure enclosed by 10 line segments is called decagon. So here you can see that this is a geometrical shape enclosed by 10 line segments, and all 10 line segments are equal. Therefore this is a regular decagon. All the shape which have equal sides known as a regular polygon, and this is a 10 line segments enclosed by 10 line segments. So this is known as a regular decagon.
So thank you friends to watching my video up to last, and don't forget to like, share and comment it, and subscribe my channel for getting first of all my video. Thank you once again.